This must be the other half of the mill. So that's what's happening when you put a railway through your mill. You got to run in it's two different operations. Hand lumber cart, toting beams, planer. So this will be the end of the line, or unless this just is a planer mill. There's no edger to be had here. We're doing it all wrong. We're missing something. That's old. Definitely could use an edger, because when these pieces come off like this, they need to be trimmed. Like that would make a 6-inch. Well, not there, it wouldn't. But if it was all like that, that would get edged to a 6-inch. There's no point planing it in that shape.